Hi friends, this time I'll be talking about the new variant of the COVID Wuhan virus. There is no doubt and no question that the original virus has originated from the Wuhan area. Laboratory or not, we don't know. However, whatever said and done, the evolutionary process of a virus is such that it undergoes variants. It wants to survive, and which is why the latest variant is the Omicron variant which we are seeing. Delta is forgotten. And now France has reported as of today, 4th of January 2022, a new variant called IHU being detected recently in France. Let me talk about Omicron variant. Well, it's nice, it's user-friendly actually. There isn't much of morbidity, highly infectious, and the largest cause is marriage parties, huge gatherings. Please be very worried. You may be invited for a lot of parties because people want to go out, meet people, be with people, enjoy themselves, the warmth of human comfort. But there again, Omicron will step in and spoil the party. Don't take it lightly. Everybody says, so what? It's not a big deal, no hospitalization. I'm at Lilavati Hospital and I can tell you today, a lot of operating theatre staff has got infected, and the neighboring hospital run by the municipal corporation is full with patients. The ICU in Lilavati also is full right now. So you can imagine, don't take this lightly. Hope it doesn't affect you. Take your vaccines because even vaccinated people have got it. I have patients who have had COVID prior, following that 2 vaccination, and yet have got COVID with the Omicron variant again. So this is not to be taken lightly. There's a lot we don't know about the virus. So don't be under the false impression that it is very simple. Be very worried. Keep your mask with you. Try and avoid infected places. Try and avoid meeting big crowds. Always ventilate your room. Have a lot of vitamin C and vitamin D. Report at the earliest onset. You have the antibody cocktail available right now, which is one of your best bets if you get COVID, and it rather be taken sooner than later. Even if you are vaccinated, be very careful. Don't be under any false impressions. You can get infected. Let's understand how immunity works with people. So increase your immunity, but at the same time, the virus is very smart and evolutionary. The virus wants to survive. And when it wants to survive, it will change its strains. And because of the changing strains, some may be lethal, some may not be lethal. But till the time we get mass herd immunity, it is going to be a problem. Imagine, it's very easy for people to say, but what would happen if 25 crore, 50 crore people in India get infected with this virus simultaneously? The healthcare system will collapse. Already in quite a few hospitals in the US, you can see the healthcare system has collapsed. So be very careful. You don't want to be at the receiving end. You've seen those photographs of lack of oxygen in Delhi and everywhere in the country. The tsunami is right there at the doorstep. It's coming. Brace for the attack. Be careful. Be worried. Take your precautions. Wear your mask. Eat well. Sleep well. All the very best. We'll talk about the next variant very soon. Bye for now.